In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a ClickUp task list or export views. If you've been looking for a way to keep a hard copy of your tasks, or you need to export your list for further use, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the process, and I'll guide you through each step. First, you'll need to head over to your ClickUp workspace. Open your browser and navigate to your ClickUp space. This is the initial hub you see after logging in, where all your tasks and lists are organized. Finding your way around here is crucial to following the steps efficiently, so ensure you're in the right space where your desired task list resides. Now that you're in your ClickUp space, your next move is to click on the list. On your left-hand panel, there's a navigation bar, a bit like your task command center. Here, you'll see different areas such as spaces, folders, and lists. Click on the specific list you want to work with. It might seem small, but clicking directly on the list ensures you're selecting the correct tasks you wish to print. Once you've opened your list, it's time to select the task you want. Hover over the tasks, and you'll notice each can be individually selected. If you want to print or export specific tasks as opposed to the whole list, make sure you select those individual tasks by clicking on the checkbox next to each task name. This feature is wonderfully flexible, allowing you to tailor precisely what you choose to print or export. The next step is to find the three dots, which represent more options. At the top right corner of your task list or next to individual tasks, you'll find these three dots. Clicking on them typically reveals various options, like accessing additional settings or functions not displayed by default. It's like a hidden treasure trove of features within ClickUp. Finally, you need to click on the Print option from the drop-down menu. Once you click the three dots, look for the Print button in this menu. Clicking on Print will open up your browser's printing dialog, allowing you to choose your printer and configure print settings. This function provides a quick and straightforward way to have a physical copy of your tasks, ideal for meetings or when working away from your computer. And there you have it. You've now learned how to print a ClickUp task list or export views. It's a seamless way to manage your tasks both digitally and physically, catering to different working styles and preferences. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy productivity!